What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. But I'm not gonna show you my face because this is my table, whatever it's called, and that's my friend's hand. Stop. Okay, sorry. You want me to make a paper bird? Right here. Paper bird. I made it. It's kind of cool. And this is my hand, see? I'm kind of big. Stop! Sorry, that's my friend. Yeah, this is my house. That's my iPad's friend. And I need someone to hold this. Yeah. Hey. Hey. No, this. See? My thing. Whatever it's called. Sorry, my friend's already praying. That's him. Okay. Now we're doing this. Now I can flap its wings, but yeah. I just made it myself. And if you want to make it, thumbs up for this video and comment if you want me to make it. So yeah, bye.